Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So this video will be a two-parter covering the YouTube audio library and then a quick overview of adding audio in the Shotcut software. So first, let's take a quick look at the YouTube audio library. Now this can be found within the YouTube studio of your channel and is found on the left menu bar near the bottom. Now I feel like many content creators still don't realize this is an option within YouTube Studio, or maybe don't realize just how much it has to offer. However, the YouTube audio library offers up some great audio choices that can be searched by title, genre, the mood you're looking for, and a lot more. Now this isn't your Spotify library, as you won't find any of your favorite artists or tunes you're used to hearing. What the audio library does offer is some outstanding artists that have created just about everything you could want, from classical to jazz to cinematic music, instrumentals, and pretty much everything in between. Now, the YouTube audio library is available for all content creators on YouTube, including videos that you monetize. Now there's also no attribution required for the music. Just make sure you don't create a video that basically copies the music in the library, and don't create anything illegal with it either. So the audio library not only contains some fantastic music and instrumental choices, but also has a rather extensive sound effects library as well. Now the sound effects library consists of everything from cartoon noises to animal sounds, little horror tidbits, tool noises, and that's just to name a few. Now it definitely takes some time to explore both the audio library and the sound effects library, as there are so many choices. Now one other little thing to note is YouTube does offer us a starred feature. So if you find a great piece of music that you know you will want to use again, simply hit the star next to the track title to save it for later under the starred tab near the top. Now the sound effects tab doesn't yet contain a star for saving those files. However, something I've started doing that may help you is, once I find a piece of music or a sound effect that I really like, I download it for use and simply save it on my local computer to a folder where I can retrieve it for next time. So now that's covered, let's jump over to Shotcut real quick and I'll show you how to add audio to your playlist, as well as adding it to your timeline for use in your video. Now adding music or sound effects to your created video in Shotcut is really simple. I just wanted to show this in case anyone had any issues or needed a little guidance. So first we will add an audio clip just as we would an image or a video to our playlist. Now this can be done, of course, by simply dragging and dropping from your folder, or by using the Add to Playlist button and searching that way. So once a clip is in the playlist, we need to add an audio track to the timeline. Now we can simply drag the audio clip to the audio track on the timeline and begin to manipulate it with filters such as fading in, fading out, adjust the volume, and so on. So in short, guys, don't forget to check out the YouTube audio library if you haven't already, and definitely put it to work for you. Now also, if you're looking for a free-to-use video editor, Shotcut is available via a short download, has plenty of options to create a solid video for all content creators of all sizes. So I hope this video was useful for you in some way, but if you have any questions or any concerns, just leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Have a great day.